Welcome to the OS Maps app. In this video, we will show you how to find a route. Select the Discover Route button. Select the activity you wish to discover a route for. You can state the difficulty of the route and the minimum and maximum distance of the route you wish to follow. Routes are rated by OS users. You can search for premium trails uploaded by OS partners and expert route creators, including AA Walks, Country Walking, Mountain Bike UK, and Trail Magazine. Select Show Me Routes. Any routes in the area of the map currently on screen will show as coloured markers. Green, orange, and red markers indicate individual route starting points according to their difficulty, while red markers with a number indicate a cluster of routes. Zoom in further to see more. If you cannot see any routes, try zooming out or moving the map. You can see more information about the route by selecting the up arrow. If you wish to save the route for later, you can select Favourite Route. You can also share the route or export the route as a GPX file for any navigation devices you have. Once you have a route on screen, you can select Follow the Route. This will warn you when you are off course. Once you finish following a route, you will be asked to rate it out of 5 stars, and if you want to add it to your personal activity log. Enjoy your guide to the great outdoors.